Yes. Now exercise 6.1, question number 5. I am starting. This figure is as such given. About figure, what is written in figure? POQ is a straight line. Ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. Means OS is, this is 90 degree. Sorry, if I am dictating OR perpendicular to PQ means this is 90 degree. As well, this is 90 degree. You can directly take, because perpendicular means perpendicular on both sides. So OS is another way. OS is another way. So you will write, since OR is perpendicular to PQ, implies ROQ is equal to ROP is equal to 90 degree. Is equal to 90 degree. Because if it is perpendicular, will be perpendicular. Either one can be taken as 90 degree directly, whichever is usable. Now I am to use both, so I have written both 90 degree. Now what is given? OS is another ray. OS is some another ray lying between OP and OR as drawn. Understandable. It is just understandable because it's visible between OP and OR. Prove that ROS, this very angle. Very important question, very interesting question. ROS will be equal to half of QOS. QOS from Q to OS, this very angle, and POS means this very angle. See, difference is required, so let us find them separately. This is the best way. QOS separately we find, subtract and try to reach to this result. You will just enjoy while doing it. QOS, it is nothing but angle QOR plus ROS. Keep in mind, we are to find ROS, so we will connect to both angles QOS and POS in form of ROS. So this is written. Second one is POS. Again see, this can be written as ROP plus, sorry, not plus, see, again ROP. I want this very angle. I am to subtract ROS. See, so let me rewrite it to avoid chance of confusion. ROP minus ROS. I had already dictated, so both angle are to be written in form of ROS because we require ROS. Now what is QOR? It is 90 degree. What is ROP? It is 90 degree. So again I can write QOS equal to 90 plus ROS and POS equal to 90 minus ROS. Call it as 1, it as 2. Now see, we are to subtract. So operate, what will you do? Operate 1 minus 2. From first very equation, second will be subtracted because POS is to be subtracted, right? See here, minus sign is there. So change their sign. What happens? 90 will cancel out. You will get QOS minus POS equal to 2ROS will imply ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS, hence true. That's all.